To begin, go to the Windows search bar and type MRT. Click on Run command and wait for a few seconds. The next window will pop up where Windows will ask you if you really want to make changes to your app or to your device. You can go ahead and click yes. Again, you will need to wait a bit and then a little window will pop up, which is this one. Click next. Click Customize, Scan, choose Folder. At this stage, this tool allows you to scan the Windows operating system, the C drive. It allows you to scan external USB flash drives, external hard disks, external SSDs, and even SD cards. For the purpose of keeping this training short, we are going just to select this one, and we're just going to click Select, and we will click Next. This scan and removal may take up to a few hours based on how big is the data already in your device. So you need to be patient and you need to wait. And here you see files scanned, it's increasing. Files infected so far 0, and the start time, the exact start time, and the time elapsed. Once done, you should see that the file infected, if there are any, they will be removed or they will be cleaned. I will just pause the video here and I will show you what will happen next once the whole scan is over. Once the process is over, you can click Finish. It should have cleaned everything. You can go ahead and restart your computer and this should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.